What is implicit bias and how does it affect us? Imagine walking into a room and instantly feeling a certain way about someone without even realizing why. That quick feeling is often influenced by something called implicit bias. It's an unconscious attitude or stereotype that shapes how we see others, make decisions, or behave toward different groups. These biases are not deliberate. They happen automatically, outside of our awareness. For example, someone might unconsciously think that a person from a certain country is less friendly, or that a particular gender is better suited for specific jobs. These thoughts are not always based on facts but are shaped by our experiences, media, culture, and upbringing. Because they operate without us noticing, we might treat people unfairly without meaning to. Implicit bias can influence many parts of life, like how teachers interact with students or how people are hired or promoted at work. It can also affect how communities view each other, especially when stereotypes are involved. When students learn about geography and culture, understanding implicit bias helps them see how stereotypes and prejudices are formed and how they might influence their opinions about different places or groups. Teaching students to recognize their own biases is a good first step. Activities like role-playing or exploring stories from diverse cultures can challenge stereotypes and open minds. Talking about how media shows certain groups or countries can help students see how these images shape their thoughts. Encouraging students to pause and question their first impressions can make a big difference. When students become aware of implicit bias, they can start to change how they see others. This awareness promotes empathy and respect for different cultures. It helps students understand that everyone has biases, but they can choose to be more open-minded. Making these ideas clear through interactive lessons makes learning about geography and culture more meaningful. It shows students that understanding and respecting differences is part of being a good global citizen. By learning to see beyond stereotypes, students can help build a more fair and inclusive world.